Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tailgate grills for outdoor cooking that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just looking for something reliable to bring to your next tailgate party, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Gas One 14-inch portable charcoal grill. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $18.99, making it one of the most affordable tailgate grills on the market today. Despite its low price, it's packed with features that make it a great choice for casual grillers. The 150 square inch cooking surface is ideal for small gatherings, allowing you to cook several steaks, burgers, or veggies at once. Its compact size and lightweight design, only 4 pounds, make it highly portable, perfect for camping trips, tailgating, or backyard cookouts. The 3-point locking lid ensures heat retention, almost mimicking a smoker, while the dual venting system provides excellent airflow for consistent cooking. In terms of design and build quality, the grill is constructed with durable powder-coated metal, which holds up decently for its price. However, it might not last as long as higher-end models, especially with frequent use. The ash catcher is a nice touch, keeping cleanup relatively hassle-free for a grill at this price point. Performance-wise, it's great for direct heat grilling, but don't expect it to handle large meals or slow-cooked recipes. The Gas One grill is ideal for budget-conscious consumers who want a simple, portable solution for occasional use. While it lacks the advanced features of more expensive models, it's hard to beat for the price. Pros include its affordability, portability, and ease of use. On the downside, it's not as durable as premium options and has a smaller cooking area. Still, for under $20, it's a fantastic entry-level choice. At number 3, we have the LifeMaster Black Portable Gas Grill. This model is priced at $134.99 and delivers a fantastic combination of power, portability, and thoughtful design. Its dual 10,000 BTU burners provide a total of 20,000 BTUs, making it perfect for searing steaks, grilling veggies, or cooking burgers to perfection. With 275 square inches of cooking space, it's well-suited for medium-sized gatherings. The push-to-start ignition system ensures reliable operation, while the wind-resistant lid and built-in thermometer give you better control over your cooking environment. The LifeMaster grill is built to last, featuring a rugged, powder-coated steel firebox and SUS 430 stainless steel components. At 24.7 pounds, it's portable enough for tailgates and camping trips, and its foldable legs make storage a breeze. Cleanup is hassle-free thanks to the removable grease tray, which efficiently catches drips and splatters. This grill is ideal for consumers who want a compact yet powerful option for outdoor cooking. It's versatile, easy to use, and comes with features that make grilling more enjoyable. Pros include its dual burners, wind-resistant design, and durable construction. On the downside, it's slightly heavier than some other portable models, and assembling it can take a little time. Overall, the LifeMaster is a solid choice for anyone who values quality and performance. Our runner-up spot goes to the Royal Gourmet GD4000 2T 4-burner tailgater grill and griddle combo, priced at $178.65. This versatile model offers a 2-in-1 design, allowing you to switch between a grill and a griddle. With 4 independently controlled burners delivering a total of 40,000 BTUs, it provides even heat distribution across its impressive 430 square inch cooking surface. Whether you're making pancakes and bacon in the morning or grilling steaks in the evening, this grill has you covered. The Royal Gourmet's build quality is top-notch, featuring ceramic-coated griddle plates and cast-iron cooking grates. The Spark electronic ignition system ensures quick and reliable startup, while the slightly grooved drip tray and grease cup make cleanup a breeze. At 40.6 pounds, it's heavier than most portable models, but its impressive cooking capacity makes it worth considering for tailgates and backyard parties. This grill is perfect for those who want versatility and performance in one package. It's ideal for medium to large gatherings and offers excellent heat control. Pros include its large cooking surface, high heat output, and dual-function design. Cons include its weight and the need for assembly. Overall, the Royal Gourmet is a fantastic option for serious outdoor cooks. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Cuisinart Chef-Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill. This premium option is priced at $199 and delivers exceptional performance in a compact, portable design. With dual stainless steel burners producing 20,000 BTUs, it offers precise heat control and even cooking. The 275 square inch stainless steel cooking grate ensures excellent heat distribution, making it suitable for everything from delicate seafood to thick cuts of meat. Plus, the integrated thermometer and twist-start automatic ignition add to its ease of use. The Cuisinart grill stands out for its polished, stainless steel finish and lightweight design, weighing just 22 pounds. The foldable legs, locking lid, and carry handle make it incredibly easy to transport. Setup is quick and tool-free, so you can start grilling in less than 10 minutes. Cleanup is also straightforward, thanks to its thoughtful design. This grill is perfect for those who demand top-tier performance in a portable package. It's ideal for tailgates, camping trips, and backyard barbecues. Pros include its durable construction, powerful burners, and lightweight portability. The only downside is its higher price point, but if you're looking for the best of the best, the Cuisinart is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.